Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys know me, I'm KBL. If you guys don't know me, I'm KBL or Gumbo Light or short term again, KBL. Well, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, so for today, there was a comment asking me, hey KBL, how do you manage to keep your weight the same to 114? Or such as, if you go to like family gathering, or do you have family gathering at your house, do you still go on your diet, or do you have a cheat day? To be honest, I do have my cheat day too, but for you guys who come from 140 to 114, you guys will still have to follow the three tips that I actually told you how. I can put the link down in the description box so you can go watch it. My 3 tips how to lose weight. But other than that, come back to this video. I will tell you guys what I actually use to control my weight loss, or control the weight that I want it to be. Like I said, for this drink, it doesn't help you lose weight. I did a little research. It does help you lose weight, but it would not help you to like drop your weight like that, you know. It's not gonna help you like that. You still have to like help yourself losing weight. It's just Prune Juice. I can show you guys here. This is the Prune Juice that I actually use, and I've been using it ever since I lost weight to 114. So after using after losing that weight to 114, I've been drinking Prune Juice. Yeah, I'm holding the Prune Juice. Like I said, I will use Prune Juice whenever I have like family gathering, or I have my cheat day. Like I said, it helps you constipation, okay? It helps you poop. Just to make it clear, help you poop. Anyways, yeah, so this is the brand that I use. This is Prune Juice. It helps you constipation, or it helps you poop. And I would tell you guys that this is the glass that I will take my Prune Juice every single time that I actually have like family gathering, or I eat too much and I feel bloated, and I was like, okay, I feel bloated, I need to drink something to make me poop, to be honest, okay? So it helps you poop. It helps wasted your not wasted, it wash out the food that you ate that night, okay? You can drink 1 glass or 2 glass. It still work the same. The more you drink, it's not gonna do anything, okay? Just 1 glass can help you constipation already. You don't have to drink 1 or 2 glass to make it work, because 1 glass like this, ooh, it helped you so good. Like, it washed out the food that you had that night. So yeah, so that's what I use to manage my weight loss. Like I said, it doesn't help you lose weight directly like that. It does help you control your weight, just like it helps me control my weight, okay? So if you guys want to drink it, yes, you guys can drink it. It makes you constipation, but it won't help you lose weight like that, like how you want to lose weight to 114. You will have to like do other things, like such as you gotta do things that make you lose weight. But for only this video, Prune Juice helps you manage your weight loss, and it manage you to keep your weight the same, just like that. Yeah, so that's all for the video today, and I hope you guys will like and share and follow my YouTube channel, my social media down in the description box, and also subscribe for more. I will tell you guys and take you guys to my journey. There will be so many things going on at this YouTube channel, and I would definitely love to have you guys here. And also, I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye!